Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will review the best display settings that you can change on this device. So let's go ahead and start. We'll open up the settings, go to the display category, and in here at the first section we are able to regulate the screen brightness level or set it to be regulated automatically in accordance with the ambient lighting you have around you. Next we have the screen display preferences, which basically allows us to set the particular color scheme for our interface and, like in general, regulate and configure what will the colors look like on our smartphone. At the top of this settings page you'll see the preview picture for you to understand how the colors that you'll set will look like. We have some of the preset modes, for example normal mode that is set currently, vivid mode or natural mode. Here we are also able to regulate the warmness level of the colors. Next we have the show screen refresh rate, which basically is the setting that allows us to either increase or decrease the motion smoothness level, or to be technically correct, to change the screen refresh rate of our device. There are three values to choose from. We can either go with 60 Hz as per the refresh rate, 90 Hz or 144 Hz that are currently set. The higher you go, the better animations and motion smoothness you get. The lower refresh rate you choose, the better and longer will your battery live. And there is also this small switch that allows us to choose whether we want the current screen refresh rate to be displayed at the status bar. As you can see right here, once I deactivate the switch, this information disappears. Next we have the night light mode. As you can see, once enabled, it will warm up the colors and filter out the blue lights, which will basically prevent the eye fatigue and the more comfortable color scheme and the warmness level as for the not sufficient ambient lighting. So that's why it's called night light. We are able to set some time frames, or should I say schedule, for it to be automatically enabled, or just enable it for always. And here we have the bar that allows us to regulate the intensity of this effect as well. Next we have the dark mode, very standard thing to have. As you can see, once activated, it makes the interface dark and, well, basically transfers the color scheme into the darker tones. Here we are also able to set the schedule for its automatic activation. So there's the enable and disable times. Next we have the low brightness flash protection, reduce damage to your eyes setting that, once activated, reduces the flicker on the screen at low brightness. There is also the setting that allows us to change the font size, or like to generalize the text size at all in general. Next we have the app full screen settings that allows us to regulate the full screen mode for each app individually, but since all the apps that are installed on my phone do support the full screen mode by default, that means that my list is empty. But as soon as you get, or should I say install, any app that is eligible to for such configuration, you will be able to see it at this list. There is also the automatic screen out setting that provides us with values from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. This setting determines how much time our screen will need to be idle in prior of automatically turning off. Next we have the auto rotate screen function, also very basic thing to have on any smartphone. This setting determines whether your phone will, or should I say whether the interface of your system will be switched between horizontal and portrait modes and vice versa, alongside with you physically rotating your smartphone. And next we have the last switch that is called display order reverse, which once activated displays the latest contents at the bottom for easy one-handed operations. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!